Because of this, we are able to fight with diseases. And because of these bacteria, our body immune system gets trained. These two. Our body, our immune system learns to fight. The moment some intruder comes in our body, these bacteria and fungi start fighting with them. And at the same time, our immune system also gets activated, and our immune system also gets its own defense mechanism activated with the help of these bacteria, with the help of these funguses and those kind of things. So first thing first, I want to tell you that you being a bacteria, you being having such a large proportion of bacteria, that basically means that you are a beneficial. Lot of bacteria are beneficial. You should not be scared of bacteria. I was doing some landscaping work in Mohali, and I was doing some landscaping work in Mohali, and suddenly I was telling that person, okay, this is Pseudomonas, this is Trichoderma, this is that. Oh, these are bacteria. अरे इनको पीछे रखो हमारे पानी में ना घुस जाए. So people are so scared. People have this perception that bacteria is nothing but germs. It will destroy us, it will kill us, but it is other way around. And this is the thing, this is the myth with which I wanted to start this workshop. And when I use the word nature kitchen gardening or organic kitchen gardening, I mean to say farming with the living things, farming with the help of bacteria, fungi and the nematodes and protozoas. I hope the concept is clear. Let us forget about the commercial part, whether it is done for the other people, the crops is grown for the other people or for us. Do you have any doubt or any suspicion that what I am stating is something wrong? I'll give you many examples. Research has been done, and people who are suffering from some kind of gut cancer, colon cancer, simply the bacteria was extracted from the mother of that person. उनकी मम्मी से, उनकी मदर से, उनके गट से बैक्टीरिया लिया गया और उनको उनकी बॉडी में डाल दिया गया, and that person became healthy, and the cancer went away. Colon cancer was cured like this. There was a lady who met with an accident, and she was suffering from lot of infections. She could not come out of the things. The immune system was so weak, and her gut, her bacteria was replaced by her mother's and father's gut bacteria, and she would, now within 15 days she was okay. So what I am trying to tell you is, when we do extra cleaning, we wash ourselves. हम 2-3 घंटे स्विमिंग पूल में रहते हैं और साबुन लगाते हैं, तो स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली एक्सेसिव क्लीनिंग के कारण भी हम अपने आप को बीमार कर लेते हैं, बिकॉज वी kill our defense mechanism. And same is true about plants. When we start killing our bacteria, fungi, viruses, and we try to rely on only chemicals, we are basically killing the natural environment, and we get into trouble, and we are unable to do natural kitchen gardening or natural farming. The same in principle applies over there. And you must also understand that when we are eating food, we are not eating food for ourselves only. When I say we are not eating food for ourselves only, we are eating food for our bacteria.